Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be doing this Princess Jasmine makeup tutorial. So yeah, starting off I'll be using this Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe brushes and using this teal color on my crease as all over transition, using Luxie Beauty 141 brush and using this dark brown color from also Jaclyn Hill palette, and going to take E30 brush from Sigma Beauty. It's a pencil brush. So yeah, I'm creating the crease with it and blending out the edges with the Luxie brush, and using this elf cosmetic concealer brush and some concealer, and going to cut my crease using ColourPop Cosmetics concealer, and using the pencil brush from Sigma again, and going to define my crease a little bit more, and using this shimmery teal color from also Jaclyn Hill palette, and using this Nabela Noor collab with elf. So yeah, I'm using this brush to apply the teal color and using a black flat brush to apply the gold color. And the next step will be this eyeliner from Vulgar Cosmetics. And yeah, moving on to the next product, I will be using this aromatic makeup disco jelly in confetti and Shauz World lashes in Sally. I have a discount code with them. It's Maisha30. It will give you 30% off her website. And yeah, I'm using this glassy skin balm as my primer for the face. It's really good. I've been loving it. And using this ABH luminous foundation in 355N and blending it out using this best of foundation brush from Amazon. Next product I'm using is this Huda Beauty's overachiever concealer in toasted almond and InStylish official company sponge in revaira rose. It's their two-sided sponge, and using the same sponge and the translucent powder, and going to bake underneath my under eyes, my jawline and nose, and using this Pixi Beauty's Pink Champagne Glow Blush and Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep. And yeah, after that I will be blending it out using this Morphe brush, so dusting all the translucent powder from my face. And the next product will be this highlighter from Laura Geller Beauty. It's their Gilded Honey Baked Illuminator, and going to take the sponge and blend all out, and using this Cover FX luminizing setting spray. And the last product will be this lip cocktail from elf cosmetics and Nabela Noor collab. It's Maria Nude lip cocktail. And yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys really enjoyed my makeup tutorial. Growing up, I loved Princess Jasmine, so I thought it would be really great idea. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.